Oh shit.
Purple, bike shop, bike shop. Watch out! I got bike here! What the fuck? Don't be pussy, push forward! And hit the fucking middle.
Hey, did we get that guy in purple? No. Hey, watch purple, watch purple. We got a guy in purple. Right to your right. Clear.
I said we try to think right. Right here. Bike shot, right here. Right here. Oh, I got him. Still the guys in bike.
Alright, hey, hold back, Colin, hold back. Hey, fucking Dale.
Yeah.
Oh, let's go, come on, me.
Hey, Colin, grab my glove, would you?
What?
Oh. Yeah.
Alright, I guess I have his glove now.
Justin, come out on the front side, I'm gonna cross.
I think we're chilling. I don't see anyone unless we walk to our left.
Hit.
Whoa, shit. Where the fuck is he? Is he straight across? Hey, guys, keep pushing. Hey, he just got hit from a building in front of you guys, I think.
Colin, the dentist block door is open!
You know where Justin's at?
Yeah, he's right there.
I'm crossing purple.
Big box is open! Move. Hey, they're in the woods.
Yep. They're in the woods.
They're in the woods
woods.
here. Yeah, it does.
Hey, we need some guys to push Kerry on the door. Watch out.
Someone straight down.
Dale.
Someone straight down.
Dale, you up?
I don't think I have a gun.
Oh, yeah, I see him way out there. A big tree. Right in between this.
Oh, I see him. I see him. I see him.
Ah, he's not hit. What? No way. I'm going to try to push over that way.
Watch out, Dustin. So there's a tree. There's a big ass tree down here, and he just is. He's really far back though. I don't even know if he's sitting over here. He's really far back.
Right. We need to push.
All right.
Hey, Dale.
Yeah.
You guys trying to smoke? I got smoke if you guys want to push.
Yeah, where is it? Where is it? Where is it?
I got it right here.
We have someone in yellow straight
Smoke
down.
him, Dale. Smoke that fuck. Hold back, hold back, hold back. Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, one time some guy was going to smoke, leaning so far back he touched my rail, it painted my fucking rail purple. Some shit got it off.
Hey, blue, blue. Right there, hold right.
Watch your back. Watch your back.
Yeah, watch your six, alright?
Hey, on me, get on me.
Yeah, we can hook right, go straight in the doorway.
Hit the doorway, hit the doorway.
Go.
Where? Where?
Marshall!
We got
Yo!
getting way down the road on a tower.
Hey, hold that fucking sector right here. Hold that fucking lane.
Yeah, watch that six two guys. Make sure those guns are up. Don't let them run in and catch you lacking.
We got green on that. 2 green crossing over, 2 buildings down on the purple smoke.
Crossing to the right side?
We need to hook right.
Alright, yo, watch out guys, we got guys pushing. Dale, I have your glove by the way.
Alright, I'm gonna come and get that.
You want it right now?
Yeah. Hey,
Yep.
come here.
Oh, shit.
Thank you.
Where'd they go?
We're in next door north, you can pull condo over there.
Watch out for Tim here too, right side.
Can you shoot him? You did not.
Guys moved up to like far on the left here, on the other side of the road. Oh really? Peep out that door, you'll see them. Enemies? Yeah. Shit. They're fucking just poking out of the doors. This
The building in front of us?
No,
Over here?
Like, oh, you can't see here. Poke out over
The
here.
Wuhan?
If you try and run clear mine shaft and like behind it.
That's what I think we should do, honestly. We should stay right side of mine shaft.
There's fucking hand building up there.
The Wuhan? That Wuhan.
We can go ahead on. Definitely at least. We can go hit the mine shaft. We'll make down in front of that hand building. They could easily boost her from the back and backwards.
Yeah, plus they got guys dug in on the railroad, so
Okay, we'll start and take out the motors.
it's risky, but we can definitely try.
How far over are we? We can go over there. You wanna go? Let's go.
Dude, honestly, I think we could just walk. Can we walk all the way to the second intersection there? We will die yet again. Some piece my butt up.
I'll put my gloves on. I'm not getting shot with my fingers again.
How expensive are those river tools?
What?
Shit, hold on. Is he dead?
You good?
Damn. It sounds like he was full auto. I see him, he's in murder hole, murder hole. Murder hole, my check! Murder hole, right side! Justin! Dale! Justin, Dale! He's on the right side of the murder hole.
What murder hole is it? The cutout over here?
Well, I call it the murder hole. It's really an entrance. It's short. I don't know where Justin and Dale went.
Dale got shot. I don't know where Justin
He did?
No,
No, I saw Dale. He ran to the left here.
Justin's right here.
You want? Hey guys, you guys know what's out of bounds?
Justin, he's in that fucking cutout to
You
the
guys know what's
right.
out of bounds today?
Crossing, Justin, crossing the green, crossing the green.
You should get up there and try to help him. You want to? Alright. Watch the murder. Okay. Come on this way. Alright, let's go. The murder hole on the right on the mine shaft.
I could bait him out if you want me to be a bait.
We should definitely try.
Where are they at?
He was on the right side of the murder hole in the mine shaft. The one right in front of us.
Oh, that little hole?
Yep.
Justin! I think I have the DM line.
Justin got shot.
Yep.
I got a grenade if you guys want to use it.
Ah, shit. Ah. Ankle's already fucked up. You got, hey, you guys, I think you guys got killed from the murder hole right there in mine shaft.
Yeah.
We should try to get in there, dude. I don't know why Justin doesn't want to go in. Hey, watch out. I think I heard guys on the other side of this wall or some shit.
Justin got
hit.
shot in the building directly in front of us. And I saw at least one guy crossing there.
Mine shut. Mine shut. Purple building mine shut.
Oh boys, what's the plan? Are we waiting for Justin or what? Are we waiting for Justin?
I think so.
It'd be nice if we had comms. Just keep holding that, let me know if you can help, alright?
Alright.
Watch out, get out the way, get out the way. Green building, green building! Hey! Dude, we should try to get in the hospital and fuck shit up.
Big, hard throwing cocks wanting to be sucked. 18 naked cowboys wanting to be fucked. Cowboys in the shower, ram ranch on their knees wanting to suck cowboy cock. Ram ranch, really rock.
Justin! Justin! Why don't we get in the hospital? Huh?
Hey, they're crossing past us.
Do we have anyone else in there?
Nope, that's you, buddy.
Oh, nice. Oh, where's the first?
They're gonna be coming from the woods to your south.
Yo, can I get one more guy? They're starting to push. I killed one. He's gonna grab his buddies. He's gonna come back.
I'm gonna go to the back of the building.
This is just a really bad spot because I can't see to the right. You know? Yo, you know what, dude? Hey, you didn't get me, man, but I'm gonna call it, alright? You still there? I'm dead. Hey, where you at? Where you at, dude? I'm dead. Hey, hit. Where you at? Yeah, I don't know if you got me, man, but I'm just gonna call it because you got the drop on me anyway, you know?
It looked like I got you, but I don't know.
You probably did, bro. I'm just gonna call it, alright?
Hey.
Good shit, man. Dead man!